Hey, it's Trey, and Mary Ellen's right over here. She's a little camera shy this morning, but she's here. We're taking the Amtrak. There she is, sweet lady. We're taking the Amtrak this morning from Pittsburgh, PA to Washington, D.C. Come along with us and enjoy the ride. We've made it on board the train, and the train is going. Beautiful sunrise this morning as we take the Amtrak eastward. It's very relaxing here on the train, and we're enjoying the ride. Breakfast here on the train. This is what I have. That's what Mary Ellen has. Looks good, smells even better.
ladies and gentlemen, I have your attention, please. In just a moment, we will be arriving at Cumberland, Maryland Station. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, just a moment, we will be arriving at Cumberland, Maryland Station. For those of you who are departing here, please take the time now to gather your belongings from the luggage box above your head as well as around your seat. And please remember to exit with your Amtrak employee. Down on those open. Also, ladies and gentlemen, here at Cumberland, Maryland, we will invite you to step off the train for a brief stretch and smoke break. For those of you who wish to participate, please make your way to the coach section. Once again, please make your way to the coach section and wait for the employees' further instructions. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who would like to step off the train for a brief stretch and smoke break.
This is Green Spring, West Virginia.
I'm not going to comment on that, but all right. Amtrak employee, down on those open. Rockville, Maryland Station. Yeah, all right.
Great. Rockville, Maryland.
38 minutes away. 38 minutes. 38.
We're entering the Washington, D.C. metro area.
Looks almost like we're going to see the Eiffel Tower.
That's there, yeah.
I wonder what that is.
It looks like a cell phone tower. I'm not sure. I have to find out. It's a broadcast tower of some sort that will see the broadcast conditions on it.
For those of you who are departing here, please take the time down to gather your belongings. From the luggage box above your head as well as around your feet.
We made it to Washington, D.C. Thank you for traveling with us today.